Advanced Bright is the new and improved version of Whiteaid. With some of the same key ingredients like peony flower, Advanced Bright has been upgraded, including an overall increase in vitamin C. The vegan-friendly formula has a new hero ingredient, the Brightening Trio Complex, which is highly effective in skin brightening. Step 1, the Advanced Bright Cleansing Lotion with multi-fruit extracts for that light exfoliation, and you use this morning and night. The reason why I love this one especially is because not only does it have beautiful brightening properties, but once you apply it and you wash it off, your skin is beautifully soft and supple because of the softening properties of this cleanser. Step 2 is the Advanced Bright Toning Mist with barley extract for skin lightening. What I love about this is that it is now in the beautiful spray bottle, and it's just so easy to apply after cleansing and use morning and night. And it's always good to just even chuck in your bag and continue to mist throughout the day to keep yourself beautifully and refreshed and hydrated. Step 3 is the Advanced Bright Day Cream with SPF 15, and it actually also contains luminescent radiance enhancers. It feels amazing to apply on the skin. So yes, you're getting your beautiful brightening properties, but you are also getting lovely, nourishing and moisturizing properties. Just apply this in the morning, about that much. And also don't forget to follow up with your Smart Shield SPF 50. And then of course, step 4 is our Advanced Bright Night Cream with organic baobab fruit extract, which is great for that visible tightening effect. This is beautifully, luxuriously thick night cream. So that means you know that it is packed with amazing ingredients, and you would apply this at nighttime after cleansing and toning. So get your hands on all of these Advanced Bright products today, and trust me, your skin will be brighter for it.